Okay, it's not every day you see a full house here.
Yeah, no kidding.
inside the
And
studios.
it's not anything to be concerned
Yeah.
with. Gremlins in the control room for
Yes.
ABC.
Yeah.
But we're happy to have you, and happens to also be the Irmaversary and the statistical peak of hurricane season.
It certainly helped tracking some rain.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
All of that going on. But yes, this is a big day in our local hurricane history because not one but two hurricanes have made landfall here on our coastline on September 10th, 57 years apart. Irma and Donna, both making landfall on September 10th, but the similarities go well beyond that. Both made landfall as Category 3 storms, as major hurricanes. Both made landfall in South Collier County, only about 5 miles apart. Irma, of course, as you'll remember, back in 2017, made landfall on Marco Island. But there you go, only 3.7 miles away. Donna made landfall back in 1960 on Goodland. And when you look at the wider view, the tracks these storms took, the similarities continue. Both originated as we call African easterly waves, disturbances that moved off the coast of Africa, long track hurricanes that impacted the Caribbean first, then make that hard turn to the north. Both serve as a reminder of why we keep such a close eye on those disturbances in the eastern side of the basin this time of year. As we look out there here on this September 10th, yeah, there's plenty of activity in the coast of Africa and over Africa right now. None of this of any concern right now. Some models suggest that as a disturbance moves off the coast on Friday, that could be one to watch as we go into next week. But for now, and remarkable to be able to say this to you on the 10th of September, on the peak of hurricane season, no development expected for the next 7 days.